Good morning, everyone. So today I'll be sharing the secret for why my motorcycle been shining and clean even after a 350-kilometer ride. So let's get started. So about a month back, I bought this PNS Bead Maker paint protector sealant that I've been using it every time I go out for a ride. The result is no more bugs sticking on the front of the bike, no more hard times washing the motorcycle. It's an excellent paint protector sealant that you can use either after you have applied your wax or you have done ceramic coating or even to protect your paint. All you need to do is spray it on the motorcycle, wipe it on one side with this microfiber cloth and buff it on the other side. I'll take you and show it through there. The application time takes about 15 minutes. Make sure your bike is washed and cleaned. It takes anywhere between 2 to 8 hours to cure or to hold that sealant. This bottle costs about $10, but it is a very good product. I typically apply it about an hour before I'm going out for a ride, and it does the work. Coming back home and I look at the bike and I barely have one or not even any bug or dirt sticking on the bike. Let me take you through the process of how to apply this product. Spray the product. Apply, reverse side, buff, and there you go. That's all needs to be done. Once applied, let it cure for an hour, but make sure when you're heading out that it's not raining, because the total time to cure it is about 8 hours. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, take care, ride safe, and I'll talk to you soon.